Newman Signature Experience came after seeing what other companies do. When I was a general contractor, I dealt with loads of subcontractors that did home improvement. It was very uninspiring, it was very disappointing, and the customer didn't come first. So the Newman Signature Experience was born out of taking care of the customer. We do everything in our power to make the customer feel like we are 100% working for them, and that we understand that their lives and their house and their day is of utmost importance. In our industry, it's very typical for companies to have very high turnover with salespeople, high pressure, not very knowledgeable, come to your house and think that in the space of an hour and a half they can just ram information down your throat and you're going to be impressed. We train our reps to know everything there is to know about windows and doors, and it's more than windows and doors. We understand your home. We understand what a wall looks like. It's a 2x4 or 2x6 wall with stucco and tar paper and sisal craft and all kinds of stuff that's gone through the years that we understand. We understand the entire building envelope. We give you advice on what is best to do with your home, not try and sell you what we have that may or may not fit your home. So, industry standards, we throw out the window. Most companies use, the basic materials. I learned long ago that having caulking that lasts for 5 years or 1 year doesn't really work with windows and doors. You're going to buy windows and doors that are going to last you 30, 40, 50, who knows how many years. Got to have products that complement that. So we do not buy cheap materials, whether it's caulking, whether it's expandable foam, whether it's the trim that goes with the windows. We buy the best materials we can get our hands on, and we feel very comfortable giving you a lifetime warranty. Service, warranty, promises, they're only as good as the company that gives them to you. If the company that gives you a warranty has gone out of business, what do you have? You have a piece of paper and a phone number. That's not very good for you. I am so committed to the service after the sale that we are one of, I don't know how many companies, but very, very few that offer a lifetime guarantee on our installation for as long as you own your home. That's how confident I am that we're going to treat you better than anybody else. Craftsmanship. 50 years ago, that was an easy answer. These days, with people's job swapping and changing from industry to industry, it's harder to define. We have a plan to make sure that all of our crew leaders are AMA certified installers. That is the American Architectural Manufacturers Association. It is the entity that governs the installation of windows and doors for the United States. We train our installers properly from the day they start here. We give them all of the tools necessary, we give them the time necessary, and we pay them by the hour. They can take as long as it takes to get the job done properly so that you're satisfied. So when it comes to warranties, typically you have a manufacturer warranty and you have the installation company's warranty. Most companies go with what the state requires, which is a 10-year limited warranty on your labor. I'm so confident in what we do, and we've been doing it for so long, that we offer you a lifetime installation warranty for as long as you own your home. We use the best materials, we use the best installers, we use the best process, and therefore I'm very comfortable warrantying your windows and doors for as long as you need us.